Leaving your cat alone at home can be a challenge, but with the right preparations, you can ensure your furry friend stays happy and content while you're away. You can try some tips to keep your cat happy and stress-free in your absence. First, ensure your cat's basic needs are met. Provide plenty of food and fresh water. Automatic feeders and water fountains are excellent solutions, as they ensure a consistent supply of food and clean water even if you are not there. Check that the litter box is clean and accessible. To prevent loneliness and boredom, create a stimulating environment for your cat. Place toys around the house, such as interactive balls, to keep them engaged. Scratching posts and climbing trees provide physical and mental stimulation, allowing your cat to stretch, climb, and exercise while you are away. If your cat enjoys watching the outside world, position a perch or bed near a window for them to observe birds, people, or passing cars. Scent and familiarity are crucial for cats, as they find comfort in their surroundings. Leave items that smell like you, such as a worn t-shirt or blanket, in their favorite resting spot. This can help reassure your cat while you are gone. If you are going to be away for more than a day, ask a trusted friend, family member, or professional pet sitter to check on your cat daily. They can replenish food and water, clean the litter box, and provide much-needed interaction. Cats may not always show it, but they value companionship, and a brief visit can make a significant difference to their well-being. Electronic concealed motion cat toys are designed to keep your cat mentally stimulated, physically active, and entertained. The SmartyCat Hot Pursuit cat toy is designed to engage cats. It simulates the movements of hidden prey. A concealed wand moves unpredictably under a rustling fabric. It provides hours of fun for your cat, especially when you are not around to engage with them. By meeting their basic needs, providing entertainment, and ensuring companionship, you can keep your cat happy and relaxed while you are away. A little effort goes a long way in ensuring your furry friend feels loved, even in your absence.